so easy. That's where that last one cut off. It is so easy to lose money doing this. What? Because it's you just get in and push a bunch of buttons and your money gets gone. I mean, it's so easy to do it. So approach it like it's not easy. Like, I want to learn how to be a brain surgeon. All right, you just can't go to YouTube and learn how to do that. You can watch brain surgeons on there, and you can watch mechanics on there doing stuff, and YouTube's a great place to pick up some, I say this a lot. My lawnmower's broke. I don't know how to fix them. I don't work on lawnmowers a whole lot. I only work on mine when they break. You get into step two. I'll just go to YouTube, and there's some professional on there that's showing me how to do it, and I can watch and make sure that I'm doing it just like him, right? But trading doesn't work like that. If you go to YouTube and you watch somebody, if you follow a copy trade or a signal, unless you're doing it exactly like them, in other words, you have the same skill set, you have the same mindset, you have the same account size, there's no way to duplicate that. It's just not, right? So copying signals copying signals works if you do it like this. Here's step one, here's step two, here's step three, here's the entry, go to Nadex, buy it at this price or better, which is what I used to say, or sell it at this price or better, and here's what the signal done. So if you got in better, there's no way you could lose. And you have to follow that, and you can't stop loss it because there's a time limit, right? If you could do that, then yeah, you could do it. But this is a different animal. It really is. I mean, you got blocked. So I don't know. To me, this is the funnest time to learn when it's like this, right? When you're fishing, right? We have hooked the boat up. We have took it to the river. We have put it in the river. We've pulled till our arms hurt. It finally started. We have gone to our fishing hole, and we have been sitting here since 7 o'clock, 48 whole minutes is all fishing, and we caught one fish, right? And it was a keeper. Plop, throw it in your bucket. Now, how much longer are you going to be able to fish? And if you can fish 5 more minutes, you're probably going to get one fish. But you can fish for another 48 minutes, maybe you can get 2 fish. So we got to change your mindset, right? And I can't do it in a group setting. It has to be a one-on-one, because the way that you learn is going to be different than the student that's 1 or 2 classes ahead of you or 1 or 2 classes behind you, because we all learn different. And I know that because I've been doing this for over a decade. And I know that because some of the people in this room have been with me for over a decade. And they know where they started and what they did with. They know what they were able to achieve. Obviously, they know how easy it is to lose it, because everybody blows their account when they start. If they tell you they don't lose money, they're not being honest with you, right? So they've all gone through the process, so they've been in your shoes. And you can talk to 10 different ones, and you'll get 10 different ideas about how they trade. And the only thing that's going to be different in all of those ideas is how much money they're playing with, right? They all should have the same 4-step binary process. They all should understand the mindset from a binary risk reward of 1-to-1 position. They all should understand how to find the correct strike rate, but they're all going to probably be playing a different account balance. So that's why when we started with Nadex, I would say paper trade a live account has got to have $1,000 in it. You can't do it with $100 because the contracts are running at $50. So you're going to take 2 trades, lose them both, and lose $100. So you have to understand how to paper trade and do that. This is why this is so easy, because you can put $100 in an account like this, right? And take multiple trades on it if you're only trading for 10 cents a pip, as opposed to Nadex, $50, right? So I can help you, but you got to be willing to learn and change the way you've been thinking. Now, if the way you've been thinking is working and it's great, then that don't matter. You probably don't even really need to be here. So it's up to you. Let me know how I can help you. See you. Peace. Still no trade. Sideways.